Welcome in, Ohouse. My name is Pamela, and this is my home. I'm an artist, if you couldn't really tell in this space. I work a lot of different jobs. I have a background in film, art department, set design, set dressing. I work as an interior decorator in the Bay Area, and I stage a lot of homes. So I feel like I'm always doing some form of creative outlet, whether it's in my work or in like my personal life. And my hobbies, I paint a lot. I've been painting since I was 6, and it's always been like a form of therapy to me. And I think it's really beautiful to see like how much I've come as like an artist and just like my artistic style in general. I would say that my design style is very vibrant, playful, and just happy. I think a lot of people come over and those are the comments I hear the most. That warms my heart because I want a space to make you feel like inspired. I don't know if per se there's like a particular artist or designer that I look up to. I do get referred a lot to Picasso, which I can see in my old stuff, but I'm not really a fan of Picasso. I think all of my art is from human interactions that I've had. Human interaction is like the biggest for me. Like the people in my life are my biggest inspiration. I've moved a lot in my life. I've moved countries twice, and within both those countries I've moved various apartments and homes. And I think the one thing I've learned the most is that home feels the most real when I feel the most peace in it. Your home should be a place where you can be authentically yourself and feel the most loved. I try my best to only allow good energy into my home and to also give that back. Your home should be where you can be authentically yourself, and that's where you find the most peace. Wow, this is so weird. I'm like never in front of the camera. I'm always behind it, so sorry if I'm weird.